In order to keep the temperature high, the woolen blankets can be used as bed cover and pillow cover. Down jackets is more preferable in winter season rather than woolen cloths, as it maintains the body temperature being airproof. In winter season, it takes hours to get warm only in a blanket, especially fits. Therefore, I prefer to use this kind of electric hot bag. Double layers of cottons can also help to keep the room temperature warm, as it prevents from outside temperature to enter room.
Before you go to the bed, keep these types of hot water bag for 15 minutes under your blanket. Or you can use electric blanket as well, and you're good to go.